All right, everyone. This just want to do an install video for Kool RV right here for the Coleman AC on the outdoors RV Glacier Peak 28 RKS. So you're gonna take the two filters right here. Just pop it out with a Phillips flathead. There's four bolts. One, two, three, four, and then it'll come to that. And so make sure you got a step stool or something to climb up to. Be careful you don't fall. And so I'm gonna take this screw off right here. It's two, one, two, three. To expose it so we can put the thing in there. So actually there's a total of 5 screws, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot one more right here. Alright guys, so that is kind of tight to make it flush. So make sure you do you put some WD-40 or some silicone spray so you can go in easily. And just to make sure, another tips is to turn off the AC because what happened now, my blower shroud is all breaked up. I think I hit too far off, and then the plastic shroud is all break apart. Hopefully it doesn't make the AC worse. Yeah, just a quick tip. All right, so it is right here. I should put a good tape on there that is included in the package. And yeah, just be careful with the blower motor. The installation is reverse. Put back together is reverse of taking it out. And so good luck, guys.